Hey, what's up fam? Hope you're well. You're probably here because you're wondering, shit, what do you need to start a YouTube channel? What camera do you need? What video editing software works best? What type of videos? There's so much that goes into it, and I'm here to answer all your questions today. Come with me. Alright, so the first thing that you're probably wondering is, damn, I probably need an expensive camera to start a YouTube channel. And you're wrong. But in order for me to give you this information, I must have done it right. I must have started out with not an expensive camera, right? Right. So, a little bit of a backstory. My mom had a camera that she used for when she would go on holiday, take pictures of the animals and whatever. And it's a really small camera. It's not even a DSLR. Let me show you all the camera. This is the camera my mom bought for herself, right? But then one day she wasn't using it anymore, and guess what? I started using it, and that's how I started my whole YouTube channel, with this small little camera. Hey, it got me super far. Like, I came from editing this right here to editing this right here, just because I upgraded my cameras over time as I saved money up. You know what I mean? This view is so beautiful. So I started my YouTube channel with the small camera that my mom gave me. So what? What video editing software did I use? You know what I mean? Because I'm sure you all are out there. Like, what video editing software is out there for beginners? You don't have a lot of money to pay for a subscription like Adobe Premiere, or DaVinci Resolve is a totally free video editing software, but sometimes it crashes. Sometimes it's a bit laggy. So what I did, after like some thorough web searching, I found this video editing software called VSDC Free Video Editor. This software saved my life. When I downloaded it at first, I didn't know how to use it. The user interface is a bit weird, but you can get used to it, trust me. The computer I have is not the best computer, you know what I mean? It's super slow, and DaVinci Resolve, they don't want to work on it. Adobe Premiere, they don't want to work on it. So I had to use this VSDC free video editing software, and it actually worked on my PC. But I want to show you guys how much trouble I went through with my video editing. It took me this long just to make one simple cut on a clip.
A few moments later.
It took me that long to make a single video edit. So obviously it took me forever to edit one single video, but I did it. For a whole year, I shot and edited videos with my small camera, with my crappy old laptop, and this VSDC free video editing software. And then finally, after a year, I had saved up enough money to buy a new camera, buy a new computer, and use better video editing software. But hey, we gotta start somewhere, right? So on top of having video editing software and a camera, well, and a laptop to edit, you're gonna need content. You're gonna need ideas for your videos, right? Well, look at me. I'm making a video about how you can start making videos. You know what I mean? The possibilities out there are endless. And people love watching some dumb shit sometimes. So, you know what? It doesn't matter what content you're trying to make, just make content. Put it out there, see if people enjoy it. If people don't enjoy it, well, shit, just move on to the next. Hi. So I just wanted to share that story with you guys, like how I started my YouTube channel and what you will need to start a YouTube channel. Basically, what I want you to get from this video is that you don't need a lot to start a YouTube channel. All you need is something that can record. You can even use your phone, you know, whatever video editing software you can get your hands on. I think it's better to just start, you know what I mean? don't worry about the content. Like, you'll get it as you go along. If I can do it, anybody can do it, you know what I mean? Who knows, you might be the next big YouTuber. Like, just start today. Yeah, I hope I inspired you. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to leave a like, subscribe if you want more content from me. Much love. Peace out, homie.